Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I am coming at you with the flip through of my Christmas planner, and I am so excited about this. I am using my Christmas tan kit. This is a KKK. It's old, discontinued, and I did buy it on eBay like I think last year or the year before for my Christmas planner last year. If I can find that video, I'll link it down below, but I did do a full setup using papers that I got from like scrapbook.com and all kinds of stuff, but this year I have a TN kit, so I decided to do a setup and I reprinted all the inserts. I used the Jasenia Printables one this year, and I am super excited with the way that it turned out, and I am ready to use it. I did have a like palm clip on there, but it did break sadly, so that is RIP palm clip. But everything else in here I believe is from my TN kit. I did do just like a quick setup. It's gonna be one of those progressive, like I'll add things as the season goes on, and I'm saving all my extra stuff to use in my December daily or just for regular Christmas scrapbooking. So first things first here is I do have a little washi card in here. I was gonna use one of the gold ones, like the gold shimmer cards from my shop, but I couldn't find one, so I just used this Starbucks gift card because it is like one of the Christmas ones that has like the red lining, and I just put the washies from the washi bundle on here. It fit 4, so I just put that on there, and I like this pocket in the KKK because you can put a washi card in like this, and I think it looks fancy because you can see all of the washies rather than whenever you put in a washi card like this you miss out on the washies. So I kind of wish more planners had this like side pocket like this. Then I went and I cut down this journaling card. I was going to put it on one of the papers, but I kind of ran out of papers to put things on, so I decided just to cut it and round the corners and put it in the pocket here. And then honestly, this bow clip is like fabulous. It's beautiful. It's like so sparkly and just beautiful, so I put it right there. Then the first little section, I did put the "'Tis the Season to Be Jolly" journaling card just on the back of one of the bow papers, and then I did just put some of the bow seals just randomly around. The inserts that I'm using, like I said, are from Jasenia's Printables. I did print them one-sided like I do with all of my inserts just because I am weird about writing on the back of paper, but like I said, whenever I am done using the inserts, I do cut them in half and use them as scrap paper. I have a ton of scrap paper cut up, or if I messed up on a sheet, I just cut the paper and use the back for scrap paper, which I do use a lot of scrap paper for notes. It's kind of like my Post-its, which you think because I have a shop and have a million Post-its I use them, but half the time I'm using scrap paper because I'm like, I don't use the Post-its, they're too beautiful. So this is my note section, so I just have a bunch of different options for notes. So I just printed out some of the lined ones, some of the dot grid ones, some with the girls. Whenever I want to write a list, I can pull a page out. I was thinking I could do like things I wanted to do like for the holidays, like if I wanted to go see the lights and I want to go to different markets and things like that, I could do different types of lists. So there's lots of different options there. She does have a like classic Christmas one and a pastel Christmas kit in a few different sizes, and I just picked the personal size because I had a planner for it and the rings were gold. I didn't have any gold ringed personal wide planners, so that's why I'm in my personal, but honestly it's also compact and cute, and I don't use this like for like weekly planning like I do my magic planner currently. I use this for just holiday type things. I might actually add a section and just throw like Thanksgiving into this as well. So then I used one of the acetates in the red bows. I love the sticky bows. I think they're so cute and just beautiful. They're perfect on the front. Like I think they look the best like here, but I thought that this looked really cute with just the little gingerbread and the foiled acetate. Adorable. Punch this upside down. Oops, that's okay. Then I have my gifting section. So I do have my little bow bookmark, which I did hole punch. And in here, I just put any type of gifting type thing. So there's 2 pages of card list. And then there's these little lists with the gifts. So they just have a little like section for each person with a couple of gift sections. So I did print out 2 of those. And then this one is a gift list that you can just do like one person to like buy. So I printed out 2 of those. Shopping list. I think this was in the menu section, but I thought that it could go good for the gifting as well. And then also the to-do list. These are honestly some of my favorite inserts, even just in her regular like style, not in holiday, that she does, because they're separated and you can kind of like put a title here. So you could do like more gifts. So like let's say you have somebody who you need to buy more presents for, like Nick or Bennett, I could do like Bennett and then write stuff down here. And also something I really wouldn't be like budgeting for usually. So then there's also this making a list and checking it twice, which is really cute. I don't know exactly what I'd use it for, but I just printed it. Then I have this piece of acetate that has the bows, which I love, with a foiled seal on top, and then I just layered this Christmas tree die cut. Again, this was a super simple setup. Super easy, everything coordinated. Then I have this section, which is like my weekly section, and I just printed out a bunch of these weekly pages, and I figured I'd use these for December daily prep. I am doing December daily this year, and I thought that for pre-planning it out, like I'll probably do a week at a time, I could kind of go in here and write down things that I wanted to kind of like theme through the days. I do think I'm probably going to add a lot more for the December daily. There's a lot of like pieces that I feel like there wasn't like an insert for, so I will be doing some like additional things. And maybe if you guys want to see like a progressive like look as to where this went when it's done, let me know in the comments down below. I did cut out this girl. I cut like the sides down, and I thought like it kind of framed it well, and put her on the bow acetate and then just backed it with this paper. And then on here is the meal. So you do have the appetizers, the side dishes, and then the main dishes and desserts. So it's like your little menu. Then there's a shopping list. And then I just figured some notes pages. I didn't print out any of the recipe ones because I don't do anything fancy. And then last but not least, I just made myself like a faux like backer page lifter card. And this says candy cane wishes, mistletoe kisses. And I just put this on a piece of paper. And then I just stuck a little foil bow here. They do stick pretty well. They're not going to stick forever, but I think on this leather they stick pretty well. And then I put my little pen in the side, and that's everything. So I wanted to keep this one super simple. I feel like for every other TN kit, I go like hard on one, and then the next one I'm like, we're going to keep this super simple, super minimal, because this is going to be like highly, I mean, the other one's highly functional too, but this is going to be a seasonal. It's going to develop a lot, and I'm really excited to see where it goes, and I'm excited where it is. I love this paper clip. It's so cute. I hope you guys like this video. This will be available today at noon Eastern, and I'm super excited to see what you guys think. There is also a matching washi bundle that will be available as well, and this is exclusive art. It matches our Christmas collection. So I hope you guys like this little flip through, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.